Dolby Vision is an exciting video format that activates the HDR colors inside your display. It allows for deeper blacks, brighter whites, and a wider color range than we've ever had on television. As more people distribute Dolby Vision, our tech lab has found that not all displays handle this video format the same. Dolby offers two signal formats, Dolby Vision Low Latency and Dolby Vision. What type of signal you receive depends on the EDID that was sent from the display to the source. If a display can only handle Dolby Vision Low Latency, that is what the source will send. If the display can handle Dolby Vision, that is what the source will send. What if we have a multi-zoned system with different brands of displays? We are going to test this with two different TVs, both of which say they can handle Dolby Vision. If we use the EDID from the Dolby Vision Low Latency TV, we see a picture on both TVs. When we use the EDID from the Dolby Vision TV, we get a picture on that screen and a pink screen on the other. But why would this happen? Dolby Vision is a signal with much more data that is decoded inside the display. Because our Dolby Vision Low Latency TV is not able to decode that extra data, Dolby Vision will not work. It will only display a pink screen, whereas Dolby Vision Low Latency has less data and is decoded in the source. This type of signal can be viewed on both displays. What did we learn? If you are sending Dolby Vision content through your multi-zone distributed system, make sure you set your EDID correctly to ensure a smooth distribution. Keep an eye out for more installation tips and tricks from AV Pro Edge.